So I want to plant some seeds, some food for thought for you to consider regarding how to reemerge this spring with robust physical health and immune system resilience. Much of our immune system strength comes from the choices we make every day. In fact, it could be argued that most healthcare is self-care, and sometimes the best defense is a good offense when it comes to health. Improving our nutrition, it's so critical. Eat mostly nutrient dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, eggs, and grains. Shopping primarily along the perimeter of the grocery store will provide these choices for you. Choose well and eat well, celebrating diversity in your diet, reducing or eliminating excess sugars, which depletes the body's immune system. And keep in mind that alcohol is liquid sugar. We sometimes don't make that connection, but alcohol is sugar. And so, therefore, it's going to have a lot of the same impacts on your blood sugar levels and your moods and your energy. Eliminate processed and refined foods as much as possible. And lastly, if we could all embrace the idea that food really, truly can be your best medicine. Also, did you know that healthy digestion supports overall immune functioning and protects against harmful pathogens? 70% of our immune system is found in our guts. The second point is maximizing hydration. Hydration is key in the body's ability to prevent infections and keep organs functioning properly. It also helps regulate temperature, keep joints lubricated, delivers nutrients to our cells, improves sleep quality, cognition, and mood. Sleep is our best reset for stress and is when the immune system ramps up and resets to keep you healthy. It's when our T cells are produced. Those are our white blood cells that play a critical role in our response to infectious disease. Sleep initiates our body's adaptive immune response, decreases stress hormones, supports cardiovascular health, reduces weight gain and hunger hormones, and improves mood and memory. As humans, we are designed to move. As hunters and gatherers, our ancestors sprinted, jogged, climbed, carried, and jumped, walking an average of 6 miles and running one half to 1 mile each day. We fast forward to today, research is showing us that the typical US adult is sedentary for 60% of their life and sits on average 6 to 7 hours per day. Clearly, there is a mismatch between what we are designed to do and what we are doing. And this disconnect is having major implications on our physical health and by extension on our emotional and mental well-being. By moving your body in any way, you're saying that you matter and that you have value. That is something that translates into self-love and confidence. Keep at it, whatever it is, today, tomorrow, and the day after. Just keep moving. While you're moving, try to get outside as much as possible and get in as much vitamin D and fresh air and sunshine and being among the healing elements of nature. Fostering connection with others is the next point around building immunity and immune resilience. We are social beings. Engage in regular conversations and activities with at least one person every day. Physical distancing does not mean social disconnection. Maintaining contact with others is essential to our health and well-being. Engaging with your community involvement is good medicine on many levels. Helping others helps us feel better. Briefly, reducing use of alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. Regular and extensive use of these substances compromises the body's immune system and increases the risk of adverse health outcomes. Please ask yourself whether your particular relationship with substances is serving you well. When we pay attention and address our physical health in the ways that I've discussed, we'll feel empowered, experiencing a hopefulness that comes with knowing that we have more agency and ability to manage and shape our health than we might have believed. Of course, if optimal health was achieved simply by knowing about these things, we'd all be in great shape. The truth is, though, that we benefit from a supportive environment and community in which to address our health goals.